Penelakut community members are calling for accountability from Island Health following the death of Lenny Sylvester, a member of Penelakut Tribe, a death that Island Health officials have called an avoidable loss. Lenny was 38 and died in mid-November after a routine medical procedure spiraled into a medical emergency. His family said his death is the result of systemic racism in healthcare. On November 1st, Lenny entered Cowichan District Hospital for gallstones. He was then discharged the same day without prescriptions, according to his wife, Boedaya. 12 days later, he returned to the emergency room with severe back pain. On November 15th, Lenny was transferred to Victoria General Hospital, where surgeons removed his gallbladder the following day. That evening, Boedaya arrived at the hospital to find his room empty. She learned that he had been moved to the ICU and placed on life support, and she wasn't informed about that beforehand. While in Victoria, Lenny's condition continued to decline, and he died on November 20th, less than 3 weeks after his initial hospital visit. Now, following his death, his family said they faced poor communication and lost paperwork from Island Health, and on December 8th, they held a rally at the Cowichan Community Centre. Community leaders, family members, and some representatives from Island Health attended. Penelakut Chief Pam Jack called for accountability and transparency. At the rally, Island Health officials spoke to the family and described Lenny's death as an avoidable loss. They also committed to a full investigation and to share the findings with Lenny's family. Indigenous leaders present at the rally linked Lenny's case with broader systemic issues. They pointed to a report published in 2020 that looked at Indigenous-specific racism in healthcare in BC. Island Health and other health authorities are also mentioned in that report. Community members say their focus is on systemic change and preventing similar cases like this from happening in the future. You can read and learn more in the full story at thediscourse.ca, which covers the rally and the broader context of the racism present in our healthcare system. And if you want updates on this story or anything else that we write about, you can sign up for our newsletters on our website for more local news and events coverage.